you. Do you want a pint?
Well, thanks, I can do it one of you.
Oh, and half of two sides.
Isn't it frantic?
Oh, I hate the bar on hot nights. What?
I don't know why we bother to come to these.
Well, it's a good excuse for a drink, isn't it?
Since when have you needed an excuse? You had it every night.
Well, this is different. It's the birds, isn't it?
What birds?
Yes. Well, one more pint and we might be able to face them. Well, one or two of them aren't too bad. There's one over in that far corner that's beginning to look distinctly more promising. Think I might cream in and chat her up.
Oh, Avril, this is Duncan. Avril's in the hockey team.
Super, hello.
Duncan's good at games too, aren't you, Duncan?
Oh, not off.
I meant outdoor games, so Duncan, stop it.
Still, let Duncan buy the first few drinks, do the softening up, then I'll row myself in. Hey, why don't you try that tall bird?
She's 6'2".
The taller they are, the harder they fall.
No. See you later, Paul.
Hey, come on. She's not bad looking. Nice figure. Good legs.
So pointless. It's about as romantic as pig breeding.
Oh, you want all the lovey-dovey, do you? All that holding hands and leaving notes. No, you soon learn that it all boils down to 8 pints of plonk and anything that walks.
Sophistication of it all.
Well, target for tonight. Brum, brum, brum.
There goes the ultimate justification of Darwin's theory of evolution.
Hello, Hugh. Hey, do you want a pint?
Oh, thank you very much, Steve. And?
What?
And what else?
Lager.
Oh, lager for the lady.
Yeah, lager for
and a pint for me.
Hey, Dick.
Hello, Mike. You on the make, eh?
On the mate.
Hello, Michael. Come on, Dave, let's go.
I've only just ordered the drinks, darling.
Oh, come on, honey.
Oh, look after my drinks for me, will you?
Yeah. It's all right for some, isn't it?
Yes. Well, at least you can drink in peace. Eh? Poor old Dave, he always used to be last to leave the bar till she came along. Can't blame him, though.
You all think you want a pint, mate? Thank you very much. Oh, that's, five for me. And what would you like? A couple of halves for me, mate, please.
Good God. Collier's taking that tall bird. Outside. Oh, well, he moves fast. You've got to hand it to him.
You may as well. He's going to grab it anyway. Maybe I'm impotent.
Oh. There's nothing like that, is there?
Well, no, I don't think so. Well, I haven't had the chance to find out exactly, have I?
No. Oh, I shouldn't let Collier worry you. 10 to 1 after the amount he's had, it'll be a touch of the old BD.
What?
Brewer's Droop, old boy.
I thought you said something else. Maybe it's my breath.
Ah.
Hello, Dick. Could you get my champagne from the
yeah.
fridge? Oh, do you know Yvonne? Yvonne, Dick.
Hello.
Dick, Yvonne.
Hello.
You haven't heard my new stereo, have you, darling?
No. But I'd love to.
Let's take this up to my room, then.
Perhaps it's the clothes. Hey. What's the matter with Michael?
Lack of the other.
What? No, well, there's plenty of easy carpet. Oh, perhaps not. What about... What?
Rigor mortis. The obvious solution.
Rigor mortis, the answer to a young man's dreams. Rigor mortis? Yes, she's a sort of girl.
She's called, what the hell is she called? Joan.
Helen.
No, Pat.
Pat. Pat what? Pat. Pat Mortlake. Why rigor mortis?
Oh, it's just a nickname. Mortis Mortlake. She's a staff nurse on skins. And the more I think of it, she's the girl for you.
Why?
Oh, she's very nice. Not bad looking, really. Not bad at all, eh? Have a scotch on me, will you? And, most important of all, she's got a kind heart.
Kind?
Look, I'll make arrangements for you to meet her at the main entrance when she comes off duty. We'll take her to a movie, preferably a boring film. A bit of contact during the boring bits. Take her back to the flat, give her a gin, and, as our friend Collier so elegantly puts it, wallop Mrs. Cox.
Well,
It's the ideal solution. And I'll get all the chaps to stay out tomorrow night.
Yeah, well, I don't really think that...
Hello, Mike. This is Francis, who I was telling you about.
Hello.
Hello. What have you been telling him?
Ah.
Oh, anyway, he's told me lots about you, Mike.
Has he? Well, I deny everything.
Oh!
Skirt.
Oh, don't worry. It's all right. I'll see to it at Duncan's place. Well, see you sometime.
Yeah, I hope you get it off. Your skirt. I hope you get it off your skirt.
Oh, I can't imagine what you mean.
See you. Bye-bye. See, I can't even talk to them.
Oh, just a moment. 1 minute.
Oh, look, Duncan, I'm sorry about that, really.
That's all right, you smooth-talking devil, you. Look, Mike, you won't come back to the flat too early, will you? You know what I mean? Me and Francis? Yeah? If when you do come back, you see those gumboots outside the door, don't come in, will you? There's a sport, okay? You know, I've been going out with her for 3 days now. I think this is it, mate. Anyway, good luck.
There's some in the cupboard!
You peasants.
Oh, Duncan, I've blown the Lilo up.
Yes.
What? Oh, good man. You're on?
All right. Rigor mortis it is.
Good. Tell you what, you know the Wellington boot routine at the flat, anyway.
Oh, no, let's
No,
forget
what
it.
have you got to lose? We'll all be there when you get back to the flat. We'll come to the rescue if necessary. Look, if you say it's getting warmer, we'll all nip down to the local for a couple of hours. If you say it looks like rain, well, we'll stick by you and help you out. What have you got to lose? Mind you better be finished by 11 o'clock, because you know what Evans is like after closing time.
Oh, we're just waiting for someone.
Who?
A girl.
Great, who?
Pat Mortis. Mortlake.
Well, I'm just meeting Francis. Going to take her out for something to eat tonight. Do you want to join me?
Oh, well, no thanks. I think we'll just go to the pictures and then nip back to the flat.
Uh-huh. Well, I'll keep my eyes open for the gumboots.
Mike?
Rigger. Pat.
Well,
Would you like to go to the pictures or...
all right.
Great. Well, it certainly looks like rain. Certainly looks a bit on the rainy side. I was just saying to Pat here, it looks a bit like rain, everybody. Damn, the light's gone.
There's no bulb in it.
No, there is.
Ooh, what's that smell?
What smell? Oh, it's my aftershave. Oh, no, it isn't. It's probably coming from the kitchen. I'll just take a look. Duncan! Duncan! Oh, they probably just slipped out. Shouldn't be too long. Take a chair. Oh, I'll get another one. Would you like a drink? A coffee? What would you like? That's nice, isn't it? It's not mine. It belongs to somebody else. It's Dick's.
Yes. I quite like it, do you?
Yes. Look, Rigger. Pat.
Oh, is that your gramophone?
No, but we all use it.
Could we have some music?
Yes, I'll just change the record.
Why?
Oh, well, it's some terrible slushy stuff you...
No, put it on.
All right. God, the boots.
Pardon?
Oh, nothing. The boots.
I didn't think it looked like rain.
No, I didn't think there was much chance of rain, actually. Not until closing time, 11 o'clock, anyway.
Pardon?
Would you like me to ring up a few friends? No. Well, I'll just go and get another chair.
Why?
Oh, well, the room looks a bit bare, empty.
Don't bother, come and sit here. There's plenty of room. There's only the two of us. Unless you are expecting someone.
No, well, no.
Can I use
The bathroom?
Yes.
Yes, it's through there. Just on the left.
Thank you. There's more chairs in here.
Ah, that's where they are. Would you like me to...
No, it's all right. I can get round.
Would you like a drink? There's only gin, I'm afraid.
Oh, I like gin, but not too much, or goodness knows what I'll do.
Yes, fine. Oh. Cheers.
Oh, this is very nice.
Is it?
Cigarette? No, thank you. Well, perhaps I will. Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you. Do you mind if I take my shoes off?
No.
Oh, I didn't notice that before. You know, I really think I ought to take these off. Do you mind?
No.
That's better.
Would you like another drink?
Okay. Naughty. I had a woman in this morning with this enormous car bump. I couldn't lance it.
Really?
Oh, I'm really getting quite tipsy. Wasn't you dreadful about that awful train crash in Stanford?
Oh, God, sorry, Mike. Oh, well, I'll be off to the pub then, eh? Dick! Time for a quick one at least, or maybe a few, eh?
No, it looks
Yes,
like
okay,
rain.
just leaving.
blood. No!
Goodness, is that the time?
Yes, it is. Lord, yes, it is.
Oh, goodness.
Would you like me to see you home?
No, don't worry, it's not far. Well, good night, Mike.
Good night.
Hope it doesn't rain. Good night, love.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Michael.
Hello, old man. Saw the boots.
Oh, now look,
Wallop, Mrs. Cox.
David!
Hang, darling. Right then, mate.
Mike, do you know where Dick is?
Come in.
What, now? You sure?
Yes, come in.
But the boots are here.
Damn the boots! Where is she? Is she, I think I'll become a missionary.
Oh. Well, you could join the Legion with me. Oh, God, Mike, I'm in a hell of a fix.
You are?
Yep. I've really done it this time.
Well, lucky you. What have you got to worry about? What's wrong with me, Duncan?
It's got to be marriage.
What? What do you mean? Oh, look, you don't have to marry the girl. Not these days. You've only known her a week.
Well, it's long enough.
Is it? Well, you can't be sure yet,
Oh, yes,
can you?
I can.
Oh. Well, look, if she's pregnant...
What?
If she's pregnant...
Oh, thank God, at least there's no chance of that.
What? You mean you and Francis...
No, it's worse than that.
But I thought...
No, it was just talk.
Well, what have you done?
Well, I like the girl. And she's a very nice girl. But, oh, well, to put it bluntly, she doesn't believe in doing things before marriage.
Oh, you've married her?
Well, not yet.
What do you mean?
I proposed to her.
You what?
I proposed to Francis and she said yes.
Oh, well, that's all right. You can just say it was all a joke.
Oh, yes. Tomorrow morning it'll be around the entire hospital. I gave her a chrysanthemum and proposed. You imagine tomorrow morning when she comes down for breakfast, she'll breeze in and say, "Hello, girls, guess what?" Oh, God, what can I do?
Yeah, well, I've got troubles of my own.
Oh, come on, Mike, you've got to help.
I'm not in the mood. I'm going to bed.
What's wrong with you? Come on.
Well, it's just that... Well, here I am, 19 and a virgin.
19.
Yeah.
Well, I'm 20.
What, you mean... Ever? Oh, come on. Let's have a drink. I mean, 19 isn't all that old. If only people were more frank. I mean, I bet half the chaps in this hospital haven't...
Oh, what can I do?
What? Oh, about the proposal. Well, I think the best thing is to go over to the hospital and apologise.
I can't do that. I've tried it once.
There is another solution.
What?
Yes, there is.
Well, what is it, for goodness sake?
Now, listen. Yes, come in.
A very good friend of mine, Mr. Buster.
Ruddy, kinky woman!
What happened to him?
That 6-foot Amazon he was getting on so well with last night objected to our great lover's amorous advances tonight. And a hockey stick can hurt, you know. I found him wandering around the streets while I was trying to get this thing home.
I've done it.
What? You've really done it? All of them?
That is the most exhausting experience I've ever had.
Spare us the details, old boy.
That's fantastic. That's great. That should liven things up at their breakfast tomorrow morning.
I've just had enough to go round, too.
What are you talking about?
Morning, Francis. Isn't it a lovely day?
Beautiful.
Oh, would you like a cup of coffee? I got two by mistake. Oh, thanks. Anthea, girls, guess what? I'm engaged.
Oh.
So am I.
So am I, since last night. How super!
Me too.
Wait a minute.
Who? Duncan Waring.
What?